Hey everybody, this is our 1987 Silverado Chevrolet short wide bed, factory red on red truck. It's got a 5.7 fuel injected motor, throttle body, power steering, power disc brakes, red spray and bed liner, brand new Cooper Cobra radial GT tires, restored 15x8 rallies, has turbo 350 automatic transmission, new paint, new interior, new body side molding, new trim on the wheels. Starts and runs excellent. The paint is absolutely gorgeous, and the wheels and tires really make the truck look great. The red spray and bed liner looks nice, and this interior is absolutely beautiful. Factory red. Restored original red door panels, new headliner, new seat covers, new dash pad, tilt wheel, has cruise, AC is ice cold. Beautiful truck. She runs and drives excellent, as you can hear. Man, what a drop dead gorgeous truck. The 350 runs out really good. New chrome smooth rear bumper, suburban style. It's got a nice tail band on it. Really nice tailgate. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Check us out online at redlinemusclecars.com or redlineautosports.com. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed day.